Okay, my friends, this is Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. This is the final journey. This is the final journey of phase 2, part 2 of the cooking journey. This is the finishing touch. Those dark areas you see on here, that is the A1 sauce. Yes, that is the A1 sauce that I put in on the chicken, on the Mexican, yes, roast or the Mexican baked chicken with chicken feet. Yes, so Mexican roast chicken adobo. So that is the A1 sauce. The chicken is not burned, just in case. All right. Okay, so they're having that with some cran grape. Yes, some cran grape and some slices of tomato. So you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. This is the end results. So I'm going to be having my dinner very shortly. Alright. So thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. I will see you on another cooking adventure in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Thanks for your support. Thanks for viewing. It is looking delicious and it smells wonderful, delightful, scrumptiously delicious. I can't wait to slice it up and to get some on my plate. It is looking so awesomely delicious, yes. And the smell is so inviting. I feel pain, hungry pain. So I'm going to end the video right here and go and get some on my plate and eat. Alright, thanks for your support. See you on another magnificent cooking adventure on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on this YouTube platform.